In this video, I'll show you how to automate voice generation with the ElevenLabs API in 2026. If you regularly create voiceovers and want to reduce repetitive manual work, the ElevenLabs API can help you automate the process and generate audio directly from your own applications or workflows. First, open the official ElevenLabs website and sign in to your account. Then go to the Developer or API section and make sure API access is available for your account. Next, create an API key if you don't already have one. Keep this key private and never publish it in your source code, public repositories, or client-side applications. Now choose the text-to-speech API endpoint you want to use. Your automation workflow will send text to the API, specify the required voice and settings, and request the audio generation. You can build this workflow using a programming language such as Python, JavaScript, or another environment that can make HTTP requests. The basic automation process is simple. First, your application receives or creates text. Next, it sends that text to the ElevenLabs API. The API processes the request and generates the voice audio. Finally, your application saves or sends the generated audio wherever you need it. For example, you could create a workflow that takes a written script, automatically sends it to ElevenLabs, generates the voiceover, and saves the resulting audio file for your video editing process. Before automating a large number of requests, test the workflow with a short piece of text. Check that your API key, endpoint, voice settings, request format, and output handling are all working correctly. You should also add proper error handling. If a request fails, your automation should be able to detect the error instead of silently continuing. For larger workflows, keep track of your API usage